Okay, good afternoon, everyone. It is class 6, November 17th for English 6C, Tobata campus, Wednesday, 5th period. We don't have too many new things that we have to do today, but I want to make sure that you understand that you have your e-learning that you should be doing. We are now almost halfway through the semester. You should have maybe about 300, 350 questions already answered. If you're going pretty fast, you should be at around getting close to 400 because we're almost halfway through. But that's something that you need to do to make sure that you get your best chance for your credit in this course. A couple of important notices from the university. This one is about Zoom, and I don't think you'll have too many problems because most of you are already pretty familiar with Zoom. And this one is about the TOEIC IP. So please make sure that you read both of those notices. The answers for last week's video lecture is here. The reading in Japanese for this week's video lecture is here. And as always, you have your class 6 homework due on 11/20. And one more person came. And I'm just going to jump ahead to November 24th, which is next week. November 24th, you have your chapter 6 task answers and chapter 7 task answers, okay? But you'll also have your task answers for that on the same week, but available from November 28th. The homework is due on November 28th, and your task answers are here. I gave them to you here already 1 week ahead, okay, right after you finish your homework, because this gives you the best chance to have as much time as possible to do your study for the midterm test. And the class 8 homework answers, okay, that will be available inside the midterm test, but that will be available before the midterm test. The midterm test is on a Monday. Okay, this is a Monday, and this will be available on the Saturday before. So you can have this again, the answers to chapter 8. You can have this before we have the midterm test. So I'm trying to get you your answers to all of your stuff before we actually have the midterm exam. Okay. All righty. Otherwise, this week, it's pretty much the same stuff. You have your homework, you have your reading in Japanese, do your e-learning tasks, and today we're going to keep going with our fluency work. If you have any questions or if you have anything that you want to talk to me about, please use my email or you can ask me in this class. Okay, thank you very much.